Hey there, rock stars, and welcome back to Christmas in Bangkok. It is Christmas Eve. It is the 24th of December. What? Can't believe it. Every year I can't believe it. I can't believe it's already almost 2024. Actually, we have another week, right? And then we're into a whole nother year. So I have my Advent, the rest of my Advent, oh, that's all behind me, the rest of my Advent to open with you guys. So let's see what's here. We got 1, 2. I missed a few days, right? So I got a few extra. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what I have from Mind by Hand. I'm going to do that. Mind by Hand is an LYS in Bangkok, run by Mind. Oh, some more sparkly. What color are these sparkles? I think it's all kind of rainbowy. Well, I see blue, green, red. Sparkle, sparkle. I love this green. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? 50-gram ball. I have my pink down here from before. Look how gorgeous. Gorgeous. Who put that together? Maybe it was me. I'm making something. It's okay soft. It's not great soft. That metallic sparkle, I can feel it. Yeah, for sure. But it's pretty, right? It's pretty enough. I can wear with this. Whoopsie. That was right there. Get this little teeny tiny one. Take that off. Some beads. Those are fun. Those are fun. I'm gonna make some more stitch markers. I think of my little granny square stitch markers and add some beads to them because I got a whole big box of stuff to make stitch markers or earrings or whatnot with the different kinds of clasps and kind of the longer metal stick post. So then I could put some more things on it. That'll be fun. Got this one. Oh, nice. Another little t-shirt yarn. A little green t-shirt yarn. Like this one. I forgot that I had doubles in here of some things. So I had opened this one before. It's like a stretchy t-shirt yarn. So now there's 2. So I can work with it, see what it's like, and if it doesn't split, then take it in to see how my students do in Crochet Club, because it doesn't look like it's gonna split as much as some of the others. Oh, did you guys see this from last time? Oh, there's some yellow on the outside. That looks really cool with the blue. So I can put them both together. Good thing I don't clean up, right? Look at that. I've got 2 of them. The yellow, pink, red, and light blue. Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely. Oh. So excited. Last one. Is this it? This is it. This is the end of my Advent. But you know, then the gifts keep giving, right? Because I get to make all kinds of things with them. Ooh. Yes. Here I come, Crystal. Bag a day. Got me some more novelty yarn. This is heavy stuff, man. eyelash. That is eyelash. Beautiful pink eyelash. I can use that on the edge of something that I use a much bigger hook with so that I can breathe in the yarn here in Bangkok, and then put this on the edge instead of like some big fluffy. So this is really, I'm gonna weigh this. This is amazingly heavy. More pink. How did I know? How did I know I'd love the pink? Hold on. Let me see. Should move this over by the... Dang! 196 grams. Is that right? Yes, grams. Or 200 grams. This is heavy. So there's a lot of this in there. They wound it up really tight. Isn't that fantastic? Maybe. How obnoxious would that be? That would keep my students awake in class, right? I think that this is too muted for that. But this, yeah, something's happening here. Something's happening. Something's happening here. What it is. Anyway. Yeah. Yeah. Love it. Okay, well, Merry Christmas. My gift to you this time is something that I made from my previous, oh, I love the yarn over there. I made a stocking. Really super duper simple stocking. It's a hexi. It's a hexagon. And then, you know, just fold it over and sew it up. And then I probably should have gone up a few more rounds. You know, maybe even if you want it in the same color, like take the red or the green and then go around it so that the, if you want the measurements a little bit more than just like an ankle sock, if you want it long like a stocking, just add it. So I use this fuzzy yarn. Let me get the yarn. I used this fuzzy yarn, remember that I got in my advent earlier. This is what I used for it. So, it's so freaking soft. You can make real socks with this. It's so soft and stretchy and yummy. There's gotta be some nylon in it. It reminds me of alpaca. It's that soft, and when you work it up, it looks like alpaca. I was thinking about that when I was watching Cinnamon Stitches, her Just Like Alpaca, is it Lion Brand? I think it was Lion Brand, that she showed that looks just like alpaca, but it's not. So I'm pretty sure it's not alpaca, or I would have paid a whole lot more for it. But it feels like it. It is so stinking soft and hairy. Love it. So that's it. That is the end of my Christmas Advent. So tomorrow on Christmas Day, I will come back on and I'm going to show you all of the things that I did get, some of the things that I made with them, and with my Advent, and some of my plans to make with the Christmas Advent. So come back on Christmas Day or the day after or the day after that or New Year's or something and see what I did with all my Advent stuff. I'm curious to see as well. Thank you so much. I hope that you are enjoying the holidays the best way that you can. And it's okay. Give yourself a break. You need some time alone in your room. Take some time alone in your room. Everyone will survive. They will survive without you for just a few minutes. If you need to get away. Maybe that's what you're doing now. You're watching some videos as the family is over there, downstairs, over there in the living room, wherever they are. Where are they? Where are they? Hide out for a little while. Yeah, there's lots of Advent yarny videos to watch. Just put it on play. Play the next one, play the next one. Load up your queue. Say you'll come down when your video's done. I don't know. They'll live. They'll survive. Seriously. They love you. They want you to be happy. I want you to be happy. I love you. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. See you tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye.